Hello 9th standard students. Welcome to maths class. How are you all? I hope you are all safe at home. Today we are going to learn the topic practical geometry. Let's move on the exercise 4.5. So in this exercise we are going to learn how to construct the centroid of the triangle. The first question, construct the triangle LMN such that LM equal to 7.5 centimeter, MN equal to 5 centimeter and LN equal to 8 centimeter. Locate its centroid. First draw the rough diagram for the given measurement. The name of the triangle is LMN. So the LM value is 7.5 centimeter. MN equal to 5 centimeter, LN equal to 8 centimeter. Form a triangle with given measurement. First draw the line segment LM 7.5 centimeter, LM 7.5 centimeter. So this is LM 7.5 centimeter. So LN distance is 8 centimeter. So take compass. So 8 cm measurement only. At L center to make the arc. (8 centimeter). At M center to make the arc 5 centimeter. So 5 centimeter radius. At M center to make the arc 5 centimeter. So to get the point N, so join the sides LN and NM. First form a triangle with a given measurement. So MN 5 centimeter, LN 8 centimeter. So next draw the perpendicular bisector of any two sides of the triangle. So first we take the sides LM. So draw the perpendicular bisector. So take more than half. This is approximate measurement only. Just take more than half. M center, make the arc up and down. And L center to make the arc and down also. So first draw the perpendicular bisector of LM. So next draw the perpendicular bisector of MN. MN or LN. Choose any one side. So here we choose MN. Take more than half. At the M center, make the arc up and down here. The L center to make the arc. So join the arc. So this is the perpendicular bisector of the line MN. So this is the midpoint of the line. Just mark the line here. This is P. So this is Q. This midpoint of MN. Now draw the median PN. So this is the median line PN. Next draw the median Q, the opposite vertices L. So join L, Q. So the two intersecting median is G. So G is called the centroid of the triangle. So centroid means the point of congruency of the median of the triangles. So this is the PN is the one median. The another median is QL. The point of congruency of the median of the triangle is called a centroid. It is denoted by the letter is G. So next we are going to learn how to construct orthocenter of the triangle. Fifth question. Draw triangle PQR with sides PQ equal to 7 cm, QR equal to 8 cm and PR equal to 5 cm and construct its orthocenter. So draw rough diagram and mark the given measurement. PQ 7 cm, QR 8 cm and PR 5 cm. So draw the triangle with the given measurement. So draw the line segment PQ 7 cm. This is PQ 7 cm. So RQ distance is 8 cm. So 8 cm take compass, 8 cm measurement. At Q center to make the arc 8 cm. At P center to make the arc 5 cm. So this is 8 cm. At P center to make the arc 5 cm here. So to get the point R, now join RP and RQ. RP and RQ. So this is the given triangle PQR. So QR 8 cm, PR 5 cm. Now draw the altitude of any two vertices. So this is the vertices P, Q, R. So draw the altitude of any two vertices. At R center, just keep the compass here. R center to make the altitude of vertices. Just take the approximate distance. R center to take the approximate distance, just to make the arc here and here only. Just extend the line. So this is the meeting point. The same measurement to make the arc from here also and here. So now draw the altitude from R to, so this is the altitude of R. Next draw the altitude of another vertices P. So take the distance here, just take the approximate distance. So to make the two arc, so like that only, to make two arc. So to get 2 points, so again to make the same measurement, make the arc here and here also. So this is the, so to get the arc like that only. Now join the vertices P. So this is the altitude of the vertices P. Orthocenter means the point of concurrency of two altitude of the triangle. So this is the altitude of P and this is altitude of R. So the meeting point only orthocenter. It is denoted by the letter H. Seventh question. Draw triangle ABC where AB equal to 6 cm, angle B equal to 110 degree, BC equal to 5 cm and construct its orthocenter. Draw rough diagram for the given measurement. AB 6 cm, angle B 110 degree, BC equal to 5 cm. First draw the line segment AB 6 cm. So this is A, B 6 centimeter, B center to make an angle 110 degree. So this is 110 here only. B center to make an angle 110. Draw the line. This is X. So 110 degree. At B center to make the arc 5 centimeter. So B center to make the arc 5 centimeter here. To get the point C. That point only C. Now join AC. Join the lines AC. So we get the triangle ABC. So now draw the altitude of any two vertices. Here the vertices C. Draw the altitude. Just take the distance here. Take the approximate distance. That distance only. Arc. Make the arc here. Then here also. Just extend the lines. Again to make the arc, the same measurement, make the arc here and here also. Now join the vertices C and the arcs. So this is the altitude of the vertices C. The same method, now draw the altitude of the vertices B. Just keep the compass here only. Just take the approximate distance. So make the two arc. So like that only. The same measurement. Make the arc here and here also. Now join the vertices B and A. So this is the altitude of the vertices B. So orthocenter means the point of concurrency of the altitude of your triangles. So this is the altitude C. So this is the altitude of B. The intersecting point only. Just extend the line here. So this only intersecting points. Altitude C and B. So that point only orthocenter. It is denoted by the letter H. So thank you students.